Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can actually make $20 in less than a minute using Even Odd without a bot. Alright, so how can you do this? First of all, you come and analyze the market to see if it's an Even Odd market. Okay, so for those who have watched my Even Odd video, you will know how it is done. Currently I'm using one of my students' accounts, so I'll not be revealing the balance, but I'll show you how you can actually make $20 in less than 1 minute. All right, so you come to this market and analyze if it is an even odd market. So I'll start by counting the number of even numbers above 10%. So I'll start with 2, 1, 4 it is below, we leave it. 6 is below, we leave it. 8 is above, so you only have 2 even numbers above 10%. And then we come and count odd numbers. So we have 1 above 10, we leave 3, 5, 2, 7, 4. Okay, as you can see, the market is an odd market. So this is what we'll do. We will wait for that ticker to touch an even number and then we press odd. All right. Currently I'm using a stake of 10%. So let us see how it goes. So we will wait for the ticker to touch an even number and then we place odd. Okay. So we wait for it to touch any even number, or like that, like 2. All right. We wait for it to touch any even number, Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, that is 18. Wait for it to touch any even number, Okay. Yeah, and you have made our $20. You have made a $9 profit 3 times. Okay, and that is how actually with Even Odd you can be making money without struggling. But the main thing is that you know the strategy you are using, and ensure you practice enough so that you are fast, because I told you in Even Odd or in volatilities you have to be extremely fast. All right, if you're trading Even Odd or you're trading odd, you have to press odd when the ticker is on the even number without hesitating. Once you hesitate, it's a loss. All right, again, use a stake that is comfortable for you, and again, have an account that will not disturb you. Have an account that will be able to endure some losses, because in Even Odd some losses can occur, but the main thing is that you have an account that can be able to withstand that loss. But that is how you can basically make $20 in less than a minute. As you can see, I've just gone 3 runs whereby I've made more than $20 in less than a minute. All right, as you can see, that is actually good money. All right, yeah, in less than a minute. So go guys, go try this strategy out. I'll put a link in the description, but containing the strategy that I've just showed you, so that you can go and look at it more if you want to understand it, to understand how it works much more better. Okay, yeah, so for more of this, if you need more than 100 documents containing various trading strategies, more than 100 trading bots, extremely affordably, WhatsApp me right now. I'll give you all those documents, and these documents also include membership to WhatsApp group and mentorship and guidance whenever you need it. But apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.